Hi everyone, this is Jeanette with Jandapanda Treasures again. Look at these guys. Aren't they cute? I have two. I think you saw these on my last video. They'll go in my curio. My curio. This is so cute. They're so cute. Anyway, they're just living on my desk right now. So I've got some time on my hands. You know, it's just before Christmas. I've almost finished getting ready for Christmas Day. There's not going to be many of us, so we've got a really good dinner planned. So, what are you guys having for dinner? And you don't have to put anything down. It's just, you know, conversation starter. Like I'm having beef prime rib roast from Omaha Steaks, but we will be cooking it. And then we have cream spinach, and I'm gonna order from a local restaurant. They have really good double stuffed potatoes. That was a long pause, but I had to go help my mom with the dryer. There's something that wouldn't dry, and of course it's wet outside, so we can't put it outside to dry, so we had to set up a system to dry it. Well, I mean, for you, it's a split second because I put the pause on. So you know, I'm probably not going to talk about pause too much more because it's going to be where you're just going to notice, you know, the slight changes when I pause because, you know, if the dog barks or somebody's at the door or something, you know, I have to stop and do something or, you know. Anyway, it's a convenience. Anyway, so back to Christmas dinner. So hopefully you guys are going to have a wonderful Christmas dinner. And I hope I will too. I'm pretty sure I will. Anyway, back to jewelry, folks. All right. Okay, so I do have these little groupings. This actually was in a larger lot. I think I may have even showed it to you from the previous lot where I had all those name brands, I think. I'm not sure. But this is fun, fabulous, vintage. And these are acrylic. This one even looks like it's got some of the glass is kind of, or it's kind of got some crazing or cracking of the plastic or acrylic. See if it glows. Nope, no luminescence. Anyway, it's just a fun, I wore it once, I think on Thanksgiving even, or whatever. But this is a sterling pendant, and I haven't tested those stones. I'll take a look, because sometimes they're just like diamond chips. These look like chips because they're not evenly done. It's a very pretty sterling pendant. I'll put that over here with the good stuff, the sterling stuff. All right, what's in this bag? Okay, this looks, I don't know how you would clean that. I would say with a dry, soft brush, because, but the stones are all intact. This is pretty, but I think it would take a little bit of work to get this, you know, in better shape. Now, this is a stone that came out of something in this bag, so let's hang on to that. And it's probably from one of these earrings. So let's check it out. All right. No, that stone is too big, I think. Let's see, do I see anything missing? I don't see anything missing off of these earrings. But there's more here to look at, so. All right. So I do have these earrings. This necklace. Here's a pretty brooch in blue. Wow. Blue AB. These look like they're all intact. Let's keep going. Let's see what happens here. I have a feeling I know where that, oh, I think I see where it went. This is clever. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Is this one missing the stone? I don't see any stones missing. So it's not from here. Okay, last item in this little lot is this one. And I see a stone missing right there in the center. And it looks like it can be repaired. All the prongs are there. It looks worn. This clasp is interesting. Oh, look at this. So you loop them through there and then they just catch like that. That looks old school. And you can do it again. One more. But that's it. That's it. That's all you get. That is old school. Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah, this is worth fixing, and I'm so thrilled I have the stone that goes in there. So that would take me a little while to figure out how to do, but it's so worth it. Let me get a separate baggie for this one and put that stone in there so it doesn't get lost. So this isn't a bad lot. I probably overpaid for it. And by overpaid, I mean too much in shipping. So there's that. So these are gonna go in together. They're gonna be fixed someday, but at least they're together. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do with this. These are, I can't put these in water because I don't want any water to get under here because there's no way for it to dry out and then those stones turn dead. And I don't like dead stones. And then there's the little weight on the back just to keep it nice. So put that one in a separate baggie too. These all should be separately bagged, and they will be. I just I mean, if it came in this loose bag, I mean, there's no seal, you know. I'm surprised I was able to salvage that little stone. So there's that grouping. I'm not taking any of these for a New Year's Eve party or New Year's Eve celebration. So these I will put with the bracelet lots that I have already shown you. Okay. So this, oh, this is going to be nice. I have another one. I have two brulees. Oh, wow. Ooh, okay, let's compare. I bet these are identical. So I have this J. Crew brulee. The quality of J. Crew, especially on these stunning pieces, are amazing. And, you know, look at the adjustments that you get. And if you wanted to, you still could make it shorter. But it does have 3 rings there to attach. So we have this one. I think they're both in similar condition. Oh my goodness. Are they identical? Yeah, these are identical. I have two. Yay. So happy. And yeah, these I wouldn't put in any kind of bath or anything. But look at how they are together. Oh my goodness. I wonder how they would look together, because all you'd need to do is just adjust it down one. Then you'd have two. Oh my gosh. That would be fun to play with, huh? So yeah, I got two J. Crew Brulees in identical condition. This one has, yeah, they're identical. So I'm excited. You can go shopping for these and you will find how expensive they are. These are, you know, Rivoli. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to keep those right there front and center. I don't want to lose sight of those babies. All right, I'll put this box with the boxes. Not a bullseye. Okay. Let's look at some jewelry. Now these sort of went through. I'll take fistfuls out. I've sort of gone through these a little bit. Oh, this one's fun. I love this. But it's Charming Charlie. No, it is Charming Charlie. But look at that. So fun. Got some earrings here. There's no name, but these are vintage. I mean, they have that that back like that. Those are sweet. Very nice. Little stunners. Little stunners. Keep looking. What? Oh, these are pierced. They almost have a Middle Eastern flair to them. I'll bring them up close. Not too thrilled with the lighting. I don't know. You tell me in the comments. What do you think about the lighting? But I like warm light. And I like light that shows detail. Okay, move this aside. And this is just a kind of a twisted rope, probably a bracelet with no marks. But that's cool. It's in really good shape. And it has some, you know, density to it that makes it doesn't feel cheap. Pink quartz chips. Now this could be a craft piece or for crafting. Don't see a string on it, but oh yeah, see? Yeah, that's for crafting. So this is rose quartz. Or did somebody wear this and get it dirty? Now this one I would put in the Sonic just to get rid of that dirt. So this is going in the Sonic. Because that will air dry just fine. This is gorgeous. The pink pearl. See how this lays out. Does it lay out like, oh, it must lay out like this. So this must pop over your head, but this is pretty too. This also has some density to it that makes it feel quality. This is nice. This one's nice. Beautiful. And yeah, these faux pearls feel really good. Contrast with the silver tone. these go in the back, these go back in the bag, goes back in the bag. Okay. So as this pile builds, then we will kind of do shifties. Shift here, shift there. Oh, who doesn't love a beautiful strand of faux pearls? I love a beautiful beautiful strand of faux pearls. These look vintage. Really good vintage condition, but there is this one that looks like it's got like a little bit of a crack there. But hey, if you want to look smart and lovely and don't want to bring your real pearls to a function, I mean, there you have it. These feel like either lucite or acrylic. These are cool though. They almost look like tiger eye. Yeah, these are acrylic. Nice long extender there. No name. Let's see what we got here. We got a little bit of a tangle happening. All right, so this one is kind of a little hitchhiker. Ooh, that feels like a stone. I wonder if there's another one like it in this lot. And I have these. I wonder if these are amber, faceted amber. No, but they're cool. They do have some of those little lines going on the inside, and they actually might even go well with something like this. So, there's that. These might be stone or plastic. Quite a difference, right? I think these are plastic. Yeah, these are, I say plastic. They're probably acrylic. Let's just shine a light on them, see if they're lucite. Oh, they might have some lucite in them. These glow. These are glows. They fluoresce. Let's see what we got here as far as getting this together. All right, let me put, yeah. That took a hot minute, but I did get it to where it will lay correctly. And it's beautiful triple tiered kind of a, you know, a mossy green lucite, because it does fluoresce. Fluoresces quite nicely. And it is like a mossy green kind of thing. I'm going to put it in its own separate bag because it doesn't play well with others, but it doesn't, it's not like really bad, but I just want to keep it from getting tangled again. That was a little bit of work. But, you know, you need to know your jewelry and how it reacts with being in your jewelry box or hanging out with the other necklaces and playing nice. So, just want to make sure that that just doesn't happen again. All right. Tiny little, this feels inexpensive. Oh, got an ant. Yeah, we're getting, it's a long story. I can't go into it, but yeah, we got a little bit of an ant issue for a second. I just know that when you take the food away, they go away. They're only here for, there you are. There you are. It's been raining, so that's why they're here. Otherwise, they're really not a problem. This says Giovanni. Giovanni? Giovanni. I don't know if this is a Giovanni. All I can tell you is that this chain is a Giovanni chain. It very well could be, but the chain is marked Giovanni, and that's a really cool tag right there. Giovanni. Okay, we'll just put that in a little bag. A little bag, which I have right here. I have a little bag. Because I don't want that to get lost or wrecked. These will get washed. And these, oh my God, these are beautiful. Remember what I had last video? Yeah. These are fun. These are acrylic. And you have like a moon glow. And then they have these really pretty little ABs on the top. Oh my gosh, those are, and right here, there's some ABs. That's exciting. I'm gonna put those in for the, New Year's Eve. Those are cool. I don't know if this is, I think that this is definitely faux tortoise shell. Little cheapy, some bangles, which I'm sure are magnetic because they don't feel sterling. So these I will not be selling. Yeah. These are going into the, well, my mom has a friend who does, recreates jewelry. She might do something with this. So I think I'll find a place to put those. Same thing with this. Put that here with this single earring. Alrighty, yeah, this is like a vintage, I'm gonna call it a vintage treasure trove. That's what I'm calling it. There's some really pretty vintage pieces in here. We've already looked at that, so we'll put that over there. Let's look at this. This is almost J. Crew-like. It's not J. Crew. But what I like to do at this point is make sure that everything is intact, and it is. This is really pretty. It's got light blue and pink, and then these faux pearls all around there. So that is lovely, just lovely. It has a lobster claw and a hair. Gosh, no. Is it gone? Sarah Coventry. These massive Sarah Coventry pieces are really fabulous, fantastic. I can't get enough of them. They're so cool. This just simply says Sarah, and it's got the glass amber colored stone in there. It's glass, amber colored glass. She is beautiful and she's perfection. Really cool. Okay. Oh, we haven't looked at these yet. So what's in here? It's a tassel. Guess it would go this way on a chain. It's vintage and it is cool. Can't complain about that. It is wet today. It's been kind of like a real heavy mist, And this morning I got up and I squared away Mom's, medical stuff. She has to take these eye drops that keep her from going blind because she has macular degeneration and she's already lost quite a bit of vision in one eye. But these drops keep her from going blind too soon. Anyway, so we got that prescription squared away because one of them, they won't. She needs 3 months worth, and they only gave her like 2 months worth, and and it said no refills until January 24th. Well, if she runs out of this particular eye drop, she'll go blind. So I got her a regular doctor's appointment this morning, and then we drove to Kaiser and straightened out her prescription. She got everything she needed. So I was very pleased. Kaiser didn't bat an eye. They said, okay, well, let's see what we can do. And boom, 20 minutes, she had the eye drops she needed. So yay for Kaiser on that one. Yeah, I have no complaints. They take good care of my mom. It looks like everything is there. Just a nice vintage brooch. Anyway, that's one of the things I wanted to do while I was on Christmas vacation is get her appointments squared away, get her calendar squared away, just make, button things up before the new year. So, and she's going to have a doctor's appointment before the new year. I'm excited because I need to get her one of those I've fallen and I can't get up buttons, but I want something that will be a fall detection, because this is too small. I want it to be a fall detection. It is missing a stone. There's a stone missing. Dang it. Well, that stinks. So that's going to go in that pile. All right. Getting back to, I've fallen and I can't get up. Yeah, I want a fall detection because she has fallen like 3 times within the last year or so, and this last time she hit her head, so that wasn't any good. So I need to make an appointment with Kaiser, and because I want Medicare to pay for it. Okay, so I don't know how that lays out. We'll have to put that on this is faux everything. It's not even glass. So, but it is really nice. I mean, the way that they do these plastics, I don't know. I think they got this going on. All right, this feels like a bracelet. This feels like a really vintage, gorgeous bracelet. It must be meant to look like some sort of nuggets, some ABs that feel like they're glass. Some are amber tone, triple strand. This is cool. Check it out. No marks. This is nice. Some of these I might, I'll go ahead and offer them to you, but I might, if nothing sells, I might just label this Thanksgiving or fall and start selling them in the summertime, because there's always that. Okay, so here's another lovely, these actually, I wonder if they're the same maker as these. These actually are like a moon glow kind of, brown or caramel, and these too. But this feels like it's a better made product than this one, because I can see the seam. They didn't polish that out enough. So this really feels like a good one. Yeah, this is a layering piece, so I can see how that would be nicely layered with something like that. Okay. All right, so these guys right here, these are silk knotted faux pearls. They're not even fake pearls, But the problem with this, it's missing an entire strand. This is probably a beautiful piece at one time, but yeah, it's missing an entire strand. Who's in that pile over there? These are stunning. These are faux. You stay out of there, baby. But those are pretty. No, you may not. Excuse me. I should have put pause on. P-A-W-S. Anyway, so those are very pretty. They look like they've got some sort of a, I call it like a oil slick, gasoline slick kind of iridescence to them. Those are very pretty. Put those with those cool earrings over here. This is gold tone, triple strand. This needs a cleaning. I'm going to put that over to the side here. It's really a cool piece. It's triple strand. I like it. This is nice. So I'm going to put this over here to the side with my cleaning ones, the ones I have to clean. Put those over there. Those are going to the Sonic Today. Oh, look at these mother of pearls. Those are Japan, mother of pearl, and I hope I have the other one. This is nice. This is really nice. Oh my gosh. This kind of reminds me of maybe a julienne. All those prongs. I don't see anything missing. A Juliana, I should say. This looks a little cloudy, but other than that, it's really pretty. It's got a safety chain, and look how it lays out like that. And then it articulates. But I think Juliana has more prongs on the bigger stones. They would have to look like that. So, and it doesn't have that weight that Juliana would have, that when you pick up a piece of Juliana, well, I don't know, this feels good. We shall see. I'll do a little researchies on that one. So we're looking for this, and let's see what we got coming up. Okay, so these look almost designer. Oh my gosh, these feel so good. These are tiny little itty bitty clip-ons. These are amazing. I don't see any marks. I don't even think anybody's ever worn these. But they're little. These are hard to sell on a live. Let me see. 1 second. They might end up in my mom's jewelry box. She loves costume jewelry, clip-ons. She actually, this is more her style, is stuff like this. But that's nice. That's kind of, you know, more modern, more, you know, current. I like those. I actually like these. These are really nice. Keep them together. They're little. Okay, so this is just a simple maple leaf brooch. Oh, this is cool. Kind of a gold tone leaf. Yeah, this is, you know, really like a fall kind of situation for the most part. This actually still has the price tag on it. You guess what it is. Just think about it and then see if you're right. Costume, no name. Keep that in mind. Costume, no name. Look at that price tag. Right there. That's crazy. I mean, maybe at one point But yeah, not at my store. Okay. These are lovely. Wow, those really sparkle. Do they open? Oh my goodness. These haven't been worn. I don't see, this is just kind of sticking there really hard, and I don't think these have ever been worn. Maybe they have. I don't know. It's a little mark in there. Is there a mark? No, that's just where the rivets or how it attaches. Yeah, those are cool. Those are nice. Pretty in pink. No, we didn't look at these. Yeah, these long videos. If you see something you like and you want a price on it, I would be happy to give you a price. Just email me, jandapanda@comcast.net. You can send me a screenshot. That's fine too. Or if you don't have the ability to send me a screenshot, you can just put the video date and the time stamp, and I'll do my best. It's just I can't do a lot of it. So screenshots are usually the best way, because then I can go right to the item. Because I like to find them first, put my hand on it before I even give you any kind of pricing. Oh, these are nice. I definitely would change these out. I don't like that, but those are fun little costumes. So hopefully the other one is here. I'm gonna put that over in this pile over here. Throw this away because that's ugly. And so we might come up with that. Oh, wow. These look like they're dyed mother of pearl beads. This is really pretty actually, because it goes from primary colors to pastels. All right, what's this? Oh, these are earrings. Those are fun. Those are fun holiday little earrings. Nice. I like those. Wow. Those will dazzle. Okay, let's unbury. This looks like something that is like from Scandinavia. That kind of decor. These feel like sterling. We will get to that. Let me put you on pause for a moment. Yeah, this pause feature, you know, keeps you from getting bored. So it's got a short chain on it, but it's got mother of pearl for sure. Really cool. I find a little baggie for it. That's too big. Okay, this is one shell. This also looks like a sterling chain, which I want for the put that up here. Yeah, for that heart pendant. Okay, shells. Only found one of them, so we'll just keep going. More earrings. These are like teardrops, but those beads are wired on. Two of those. Okay, this looks like tiger eye, and it is. It's on a leather cord, but there's a lot of layers there. Really cool. these have a name. Pair of earrings. There's the style. They feel nice. They feel, you know, like good quality. I don't see any name on them though. Looked at that. Oh, and here's the other shells. Oh yeah, see? I wonder if you can flip it around. So oh, no you can't. Oh, it's 2 necklaces. This is 2 necklaces. So you have your spring and your winter. That is so cool. So there's 2 necklaces here. How fun is that? And it's dyed mother of pearl. Beautiful. Beautiful. See if there's anything else here that I can untangle. This looks like amethyst and many other types of stones. Well, let's see for sure if this is sterling. Nope, not a bit. No sterling here. That doesn't mean it's not a cool necklace, right? Okay. Yeah, my back's feeling it. My back's feeling it. It's my second video today. Kind of spacing them out during the day, but not during the day, but during the week that I'm off. So that's why it's kind of important. There's a lot of videos coming out. So just, it's real important that, you know, you give me the date and maybe a screenshot. And then I can figure it out. This actually feels really good, this chain. Circle and a dot. This must be Avon. I'll bet it's Avon. At least the chain is Avon, probably. Okay, this looks like caged stones. And here's the clasp right there. Let's see if I can fidget it. I'm pretty sure there's stone, quartz and amethyst and other goodies. Looks like a tiger eye, or is it? I don't know. But yeah, could be a serpentine or a nephrite, maybe a jade. So that's cool. This looks dirty. Okay, this is an earring. Let's see if we can find the other one. And we did. So we have another pair. Just like that. Cute little dangles with little faux pearls on the bottom there. Lovely. This one says M. Little rhinestone. Looks like red rhinestones and white rhinestones. Another bracelet. Paperclip chain. Oh. Okay, so this is by itself. This is probably one of the things I might keep. Put that over here. Okay, so one moment, please. Okay, so this took a little bit more fiddling than I thought it would, but this is really nice. I almost want to remove all the rest of this pile here, but this is a quadruple strand necklace. I mean, it's so pretty. It's so dainty, but it's like triple strand. And it's got a spring ring and no name. But it's really nice. It's got that layered kind of look to it. Gotta not twist it. Yeah. So yeah, sometimes they take a little bit longer to, you know, get that ant off of there. A little bit longer to, you know, untangle, but sometimes it's so worth it. This is really nice. I like the finishes. So this one I'm going to put in its own bag because when things like this get tangled, it's a little bit more of a, you know, it's more difficult to fix. Need to find a bigger bag, Jeanette. A little bit bigger. These are tiny. What's over here? What's over here? Oh, come on. Come on. Give me a bag. All right, well, we'll just see if it fits in this one. Some of those tiny bags over there. All right. Cool. That's really cool. And this one was really tangled up in this particular one. This is a double strand. Oh wait, what's going on? There's more to this than meets the eye. There's this cute little heart bracelet that's really knotted on here. Well, maybe not so terribly. There is a knot in that bracelet though. This looks sterling. Not sure, but there is a knot. So, not sure if I can get that out. Sometimes if you do this, it loosens it up a little bit, but it's really too tiny. I'll test it and see what happens, but you know, really, and it's not very substantial. Okay. Here is the, I think this might be sterling. It's not magnetic. And if I can, hopefully I can. Okay, it might fit. This might fit. See what happens. No, I have to open that up to fit that on. But that's okay. It's not marked sterling though, but it's not magnetic. So that doesn't mean if it's not magnetic that it's sterling. It just means that it's not magnetic. So. There are other metals that are not magnetic as well. But it's good to figure out if somebody is, you know, marking something sterling and it's not. So that's usually an indicator that it's not. Okay, this might take a hot minute again. I don't know. First of all, is there a mark? Nope. So this might take a bit to undo, and I'll do that later. Oh, there's the other earring. Now I have a pair. Put it in a little baggie. Yeah, this is probably something I would edit out. So I will know that next time, as you don't want to see me doing this. These, no. Okay, this says Montana. That's all it says. And it's sterling. I like this chain. And this must be some sort of, you know, a pot. It says Montana on it. That's interesting. Very interesting. But yeah, this is a nice little sterling piece. Never know what you're going to find in these lots. I'm not complaining one bit. All right. Okay, so I put those other items away, kind of cleared the area here and emptied out the rest of the bag. So let's see what we got here. Those are vintages. Heck fire. No marks. Very interesting. These need to be removed. That one does anyway. Just need some basic cleanup. Otherwise, it'd be really cool. Okay, keep those together. These are pretty, very pretty. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Here's the other one. It's probably not the proper way to store these, but at least it keeps them together temporarily. That's my goal. This looks like an old-fashioned cufflink. I wonder if the other one's in here. We'll put that aside. Little jade pendant. Okay, here's the other. Okay, that's in that bag. So we found the other one. Cute little ring. No marks. Really tiny. What else we got going on here? Then we could wrap it up. So we have that pair of earrings. We have, where's the other one of these? It's just here. Oh, there it is. We have this pair of earrings. That's a cool earring. No mark on this little brooch here. Not even gonna take it out of the bag. This is cool. This looks like it's been hand done. That's a lovely, lovely brooch. Okay. Nope. This is marked Coro, and I don't see anything missing. It's got those moon glow. I don't even know if they kind of feel a little kind of like glass. They might, no, they're probably plastic or acrylic. I don't see anything missing. It's a beautiful coral brooch. So let's put that over with my other moon glow items. Those are cool. Okay, so here's another pair of earrings. No marks, but they're nice. Little button earrings. Still haven't found the other item there. These kind of look like Avons. I don't know. There's a little triangle there. It's like a triangle. Not a triangle, like a square, diamond shape. I don't know. I don't know. My dog is trying to get my attention, so we'll just wrap this up. But those are interesting. What are you doing, Zoe? Don't break stuff, Jeanette. All right. Some fun earrings. Mickey Mouse. I just had to put on pause because I had a feeling my dog was going to bark. Anyway, these are wood. Don't know what kind of wood. Maybe they're Hawaiian koa wood or teak or just faux wood. I don't know. These are lovely. I like those. I don't know if that is sterling or what, but let's check it out. It's got some sort of a symbol in there, like an 8 in there. Here's the other, is this the other one? Okay. Really old-fashioned cufflinks. Amazing. Pair of earrings. Really cool. No marks. Another pair of really cool earrings. No marks. You've already seen these. These are nice. These, I don't, well, these are black. Here's the little cha-cha-y kind. Just fun, 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 fun. This is a really cool ring. Look at that. Opaline kind of glass in there, or opal glass. Oh, these are super itty bitty vintage. Oh my gosh. These are tiny little doodads. Oh, those are cute. Can't barely see them, but yeah. Gold stone, not gold, not stone, but it's blue. Here's some. Oh yeah, these are really cool. I like these. Then we have the faux coral beads. Nothing on them. Just vintage. These are pretty, but they're tiny. See how tiny they are? They're so hard to sell during a live. I mean, and then I found the other one of these. Very lightweight, but impact. So that's the rest of what was in that big lot. And yeah, just tell me what you think. Or tell me what you had or will have for Christmas dinner. Maybe mac and cheese. I don't know. And you don't have to share if you don't want to. Just say hi. And because the more you say on the comments, the more I think that the algorithm stirs it up. Plus the more videos I create, that will also help the algorithm, because I really would like to enjoy making new friends. I love my friends though. I love each and every one of you. Have a beautiful, beautiful holiday. And yeah, I'll be seeing you soon.